Hi everyone, I have a short book review for you today. This is called The Inside of a Dog, What Dogs See, Smell, and Know by Alexandra Horowitz. This book was like on the bestseller list, like at number 6. And I decided to try to read it, but it made me fall asleep. It actually feels like a textbook, and it's boring. I thought it would be cute, I thought it would be funny, but I really I couldn't read it. I stopped. It's like a $30 book, and I just felt like it was very technically written. It wasn't like an entertainment, enjoyable read. It was way more textbook style, and I do not like that. Sorry. Hey, cat. Cat doesn't like the dog book either, apparently. Hey, cat, what's he doing? What's he doing? You think you're going to get by? Come and see YouTube. I wasn't making it up. This is Oliver. And he is way more exciting than the book about the dogs. Oh yes, that's Mummy's makeup. Oh, there's a black cat outside. Go get him. Anyways, this book looked like it would have been awesome, but I couldn't even read it. Sorry. Some of you might really like it. I give you kudos.